Hi everybody, I am Miss Hunsaker. If I haven't met you yet, I am your child's college and career prep teacher, and this is just a quick video to show you what they're expected to do this week. So first of all, this is my Canvas page. If you have a second, you can have your student log in, and this is where everything is going to be housed. First of all, I will be having Zoom office hours every Wednesday from 1 to 3 or 1 to 1:30. This is for like if your child has questions on the worksheet or would like me to help them with it, they can log into this. You have the link, the ID, and the password. And in college and career prep for the rest of the school year, we're going to be focusing on finances. So we scroll down the page, we have our table set up here. Our first week, you have the standards that we're focusing on, and then we can click here to see the assignment. Everything will be due at the end of the week on Friday, but they're more than welcome to submit it before that. You see here, this is the assignment. Students are responsible for filling out this worksheet here, so you can click it and download it. It is a worksheet having them simulate living on an income and trying to create a budget. So in order to do that, they have to pick a life, basically. There is this document right here that has identities, and their job is just pick one. So they're going to pick one and use that identity to fill out this worksheet. Or even, better yet, if you, the parents, want to pick their identity for them so they don't get to pick the really nice ones and instead just have to work with what they get, you can do that too. Once they finish that worksheet, they can submit it by clicking the Submit Assignment button. They can either submit like a computer document if they typed it up, or if they were able to just handwrite it on a piece of paper, they can take a picture of it and they should be able to submit it in there as well. I think they can also just type straight into a text box, but it might not be as nice as actually submitting the document. All right, well, please let me know if you have any questions, send me emails, and I will see you later.